Welcome back to imouttraveling. My name is Raul, and in last week's video we went over the GoPro 9's media mod versus the Ulanzi vlogging case to see which one was better. Spoiler alert, the media mod won, at least in my opinion. So today we're going over the GoPro 9's built-in mic versus the media mod mic to hear which one sounds better and if it's even worth you spending the $80 or not to upgrade to the media mod. Same place as last year, we're headed over to the beaches and a cool little Mexican restaurant with an outdoor patio with some music playing in the background so you can hear the difference in quality of sound. So with all that being said, let's roll it. So here we are at the beaches. It's a beautiful day today. It's a windy day today, and that's the purpose of this video and why we're at the beaches. We want to hear the difference between the quality of sound for the GoPro 9 without the media mod and the GoPro 9 with the media mod to hear which one sounds better. All right, so now you're listening to the GoPro 9 without the media mod with the built-in mic that it normally comes with. And now we're switching it over to GoPro 9 with the media mod and the mic that the media mod comes with. We have the waves crashing in the background. We have the wind going on. Which one do you think sounds better? All right, so let's be honest. GoPro 9's built-in mic is definitely superior to that of older generations. Ever since GoPro went away with these cages back with the GoPro 8, the audio has sounded better, a lot less muffled. Now comparing the GoPro 9 versus the media mod, well, on the clips that I just played, you'll hear with the GoPro 9, not using the media mod, that you could hear the waves crashing in the background, the wind, background noise. You'll hear my voice not as profound. They still sounded great, but comparing it to the media mod, there's definitely a noticeable difference. With the media mod, you pretty much eliminated all the background noise, the waves and the wind. My voice was more profound. In addition, right, if you want to enhance your audio with a media mod, a lapel mic or a different external mic, on the back there's a 3.5mm jack that you pretty much connect any external mic to it and it will enhance your audio. So now with that being said, let's head over to a restaurant to compare the difference between both of these and see which one sounds better. Same place as last year, we're out on the patio. We have the music playing in the background, we have the cars passing by, and we're going to compare the difference between the two, the GoPro 9 versus the GoPro 9 media mod, and hear which one sounds better. All right, so now you're listening to the GoPro 9 with the mic that it comes built in with, without the media mod, and now we're passing it over to the GoPro 9 with the media mod and the mic that the media mod comes with. Which one sounds better? Going back to the GoPro 9 without the media mod and the GoPro 9 now with the media mod. Which one sounds better? I have a feeling this is a winner, but I won't know until I get back to the studio and hear the playback. Definitely the GoPro 9's media mod is a clear-cut winner. The entire time when I was just using the GoPro 9 by itself, my voice and the background music were clashing against each other. When I added the media mod, my voice was pretty much the more profound audio where the background music was pretty much eliminated. So with that being said, I highly recommend spending the $80 upgrading to the media mod if you want to enhance the audio on your videos. If you guys have any other video suggestions you want to know about the GoPros or anything else, comment below, let me know and I'll do the research for you guys. Do me a favor, hit like, smash that penguin to subscribe, and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.